Today in this tutorial we are going to show you how you can calculate total working hours in Microsoft Excel. For this, first of all, you need to input the starting time and ending time. We have made already a video in this channel. Please check it out. How to insert this format value in starting time and ending time. Now let's start. Here we need to calculate the total working hour. For this we are entering equal, then this cell minus this cell. Press enter. Now you can say that 9 hours and 15 minutes was working time. Drag and drop to the last cell. Here you can see a error. Though the formula is okay, but there is an error in this row because the starting time is 7 p.m. and ending time is 3 a.m. That's why we are seeing some error in this cell. Let's fix it. For this we need to rewrite the formula again. Let's do it. We are clearing this cell, then we are entering equal, then we are adding a function if the value of D3 is greater than starting time, then our formula will be as usual like before, like D3 minus C3 else, and now we are giving the else value, comma, then what will be the else value? Else D3 minus C3 plus 1, then close the bracket, press enter. Now drag and drop to the last cell. Now you can see that the formula is working fine. This is how you can calculate total working hours for an employee in Microsoft Excel.